Hello, welcome to my profile. My name is Arun and I am a professional Excel and XX expert holding 7 years of experience. So here at Upwork, I have worked around 7 years with a great feedback from clients, and it has been a fantastic journey for me during that period. So I would be more helpful for you in providing Excel dashboards and Power BI and Tableau. As a sample, I can show you one of my project that have been created recently for one of my client, Praxidia. So this is an Excel dashboard that I've been created so far for one of my client, Praxidia. It's basically handling our data and representing in the frequencies, charts. It's a dynamic dashboard. So if I click on any of the buttons, then the data will get refreshed automatically based on our selection, and the chart will automatically get populated. So that's all from my end. Thank you for choosing my profile. Have a great day. Bye.